Welcome back to the channel. On this video, we will show you on how to center texts or inline elements in a box or div. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or send us a message via Facebook. Happy coding and enjoy! First, we set up our page with the basic parts, header, main, and footer, and a little bit of introduction for this tutorial. Second, we make the HTML structure for the boxes, then we apply the CSS later. Next, we apply CSS one by one for each box. We will be doing 3 approaches: Tableless DIV, Flex, and Position Absolute. Let's apply a common CSS for all 3 boxes with the class name box, so that we don't have to repeat the same style. For the tableless div, it is important to set the display to table for the parent element, then display table cell for the child element. Using Flex, we will only apply CSS on the box class. Using Position Absolute, we need first to make sure the parent element has the display relative style, or else our child element will be all over the page. Apply the display Absolute on the child element with 50% top and left positions. Then we apply Translate to -50% to center align it vertically and horizontally. There you go! Now you can center an element using 3 different approaches, depending on the need of your page. You can pause the video to get the codes used, or you can download the resources on Git by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for watching! Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow!